first down for the next line.
Keith Yandle now. Victor Rask for Carolina. They wheel a cycle to the point. Lyles around the horn. Ron Hainsey, his shot. Scores! A hip on the way through. Either off Keith Yandle or Victor Rask.
Derek and Jordan right at the beginning of the game, but then just figured it was because he came on first in the partial line change. But no, it's an actual flip-flop. Lindholm in Semen's spot.
And that's a late change as Korpikoski walks in and Cam Ward will hang on. It's dug out on a cycle. Chip Chura, weak side, a good stick by Victor Rask on Keith Yandle. Yandle out of the corner. David Moss scores! David Moss gets his first goal of the season. Murphy now out of the corner. Hands it off to Brendan Shinnimin. He'll turn it over to Andre Nestrashil, and it comes all the way back in. Out of the corner, Lindholm for Carolina, muscled by Murphy. Nathan Gerbe, Nestrashil, good stop by Mike Smith, and will step aside.
This game is an NHLer, player that played for the Oshawa Generals in the Ontario League.
Brendan Shinnimin drops it back. Shot taken by Lesio, denied by Cam Ward, and he was interfered with by B.J. Cronbean as it comes back out. We'll skirmish and back of the play, and out to center ice, Sam Gagner. An attempt to get it deep, and it's broken up by John Michael Lyles, hinging back out to center ice. Nestrashil on the flank, Gerbe. Lyles a shot, a good save by Mike Smith.
Play because the Hurricanes have had a bunch, Arizona's had none.
Rask, one-timer, Falk denied by Mike Smith. Now Jordan Staal, Justin Falk at the point. He'll settle it down, a wrister, off the goalpost. It stays out. Played here by Justin Falk. Comes back for Andre Sekera. Final push, only 7 seconds left in it. Jeff Skinner drops it off, Sekera. Here it comes, picked off by Mike Smith. Off as Smith gave up a rebound, and now Michael Stone throws it back.
You know, that was McClemens' first face-off of the game. All these Carolina power plays. You know, he just hasn't played that much.
Turnover, Dwyer blocker down by Mike Smith. Malone now.
Two, you know, very good American-born defenseman.
Foot race. Ward out to play it ahead of Lucas Lesio. Lesio knocking it down. He'll grind it up top. Andrew Campbell holding, shooting one. Ward got a piece. Connor Murphy is up. His shot blocked off. Shinnimin out in front. It's loose. Here come the Hurricanes out in
this period. Couple of good defensive plays. One from Skinner and there from Semen at the end of the shift with a long change.
Justin Falk ahead of Alex Bolduc out in front. Cam Ward said no. On Sam Gagner, Bolduc broken up by Andre Sekera early in this third period. Second and final meeting. Carolina defeating Arizona 3-0 in Raleigh on November 1st. Now Lucas Lesio off a stick. Cam Ward hangs on, and it popped out to Andre Sekera, and Carolina will survive.
Right.
John Michael Lyles and Ron Hainsey on the back end. Gerbe sneaks in. Little backhander, no problem for Smith. Second chance off the mask. Yuri Talusti side of the goal. Nestrashil turned out by Mike Smith. For Arizona, hold on to it. Shielded a bit by Gleason. Turning his Moss off a stick. It went off Lyles. Chopped ahead by Lindholm, not out. Chip Chura. They turn with it. The slot. Moss with a shot. Ward says no. He'll cover up. And a Vermette with a shot. Ward said no. Out of the corner. Here's Reeder. Tobias Reeder. Reeder tied up by Rask. He'll kick it to himself. At the horn. That'll do it. Moves it along now for Eric Staal. Lead pass for Jordan. Getting back McCulloch. Here comes Jordan. He'll swoop in. Center one. What a save! Mike Smith is best on both. Sekera, Jordan Staal, broken up. Mike Lesio, shooter number one. As he swoops in on Cam Ward and hits the goalpost. He did everything but score. Lindholm 1 out of 3 in his career. A stare down with Mike Smith. The 6'4" goaltender awaits the young Swede. A great look here. Lindholm is in. He scores! What a move by Elias Lindholm, and Carolina is up by 1 in the shootout. Carolina looking for the extra point. Ward awaits the veteran, will be a free agent at the end of the season. Vermette, stick handling in. Ward says no. That'll do it. Carolina wins the shootout. They take the game 2-1.
I'm surprised Cam didn't turn around and kiss that same post that